Halo teman-teman, kembali lagi sama aku, Sintu, dan ini kita akan lanjutin game yang kita mainin kemarin yaitu Red Dead Redemption 1 Mobile atau Red Dead Redemption Mobile. Dan ya udah, tanpa berlama-lama langsung saya kita mulai ya guys ya. Kita pakai subtitle, let's go. Kita udah save ya kemarin, tapi aku save lagi biar kan kemarin malam ya. Kemarin kan malam. Jadinya aku save lagi biar biar langsung pagi kan, misinya harus pagi kan. Nah, itu kan kemarin malam aku save lagi biar pagi, oke? Jadi makanya sekarang ini pagi ya. Oke. Ya, oke, langsung
Sorry,
saya
mister.
permisi. Salah. Di situ rupanya. Memang di sini.
Mr. Marston, I've been hearing about your plans.
Have you, Miss McFarland?
Yes, from Lee Johnson, to settle here and build a life for yourself.
I'm afraid those aren't my plans. See, I already have a life. Well, I had one, and I'm trying to reclaim it. Or maybe what you could say is that I had two, and I'm trying to end one of them so the other can survive.
You do so love to talk in riddles, Mr. Marston. Do you do that, I wonder, as a substitute for having anything interesting to say?
Probably, Miss McFarland.
Oh, call me Bonnie, you fool. Call me Bonnie.
Miss McFarland, I'm married. I have a son. I had a daughter, but she died. Years before that, I rode in a gang. We robbed banks, trains, held people ransom. We killed people we didn't like. Bill Williamson was in that gang. Now, if I don't capture my former brother in arms, great harm will befall my family. Now, I don't suppose any of this is very interesting to you, but I hope it explains why I wasn't so eager to talk about it.
No, I do understand. I had no idea. You poor man.
Even in this new country, memories don't really fade. My father was an illiterate Scot born on the boat into New York. He never saw his homeland, but to hear him talk about it, you'd imagine he only ever ate haggis and wore a kilt. And he hated the English for what they had done to his great-grandparents that he'd never met. People don't forget. Nothing gets forgiven.
That's true. Especially when it comes to money. And you know, even now, after all his labors, my father's debts are still terrible. I worry every day about us losing the ranch. It would kill him.
My father died when I was 8 years old. His eyes were, well, let's just say he was blinded in a bar fight south of Chicago. My mother died during childbirth. She was a prostitute, and he was her, well, I don't know what he was. So I was sent off to an orphanage and ran away and fell in with a gang.
My word. What a difficult life you've lived.
The leader of the gang taught me how to read, taught me how to see all that was good in the world. He was a great man in a way.
But you killed people.
Sure. And I've suffered for it. And that's the life I left, or tried to leave. Said too much, Bonnie. I'm an uneducated killer, sent here to do all I can do well. Kill a man in cold blood so that another man may do his part to cut crime in an area, and a rich man can be elected governor on the back of these promises.
Gak ada orang tua
Civilization is
ya,
a truly
nggak
beautiful thing,
istri
Mr. Marston.
anaknya mati, orang
Listen,
kedua orang
can you
tuanya
help
mati.
me?
Parah sih.
Well, I can try. What do you need, money?
No, nothing so complicated. I need an extra hand to take out the herd to pasture.
Sure. Point me in the right direction.
Mount your house. Yung your house. Terus aja your house lagi. Bentar ya guys. Wait.
Come on,
Oke,
Mr. Marston. Let's
mungkin
get
gini,
these cows moving.
gini aja ya.
Right. Are you ready to learn how to herd some cows?
Come on.
Thank you for
Kawanan
telling me
papi.
all that back there. It must have been hard for you.
Hope you understand now why I've been playing my cards somewhat close to my chest.
I didn't know you had a wife and child. Then again, I don't think I ever asked.
Good to see you, Miss McFarland.
Hey, good to see you.
Whoa there.
Kuning-kuningnya di sini. Oh ya.
Go.
That's it.
Kita harus ngeluarin nih sapi ya.
Nice job, Mr. Marston.
Guys,
Easy now.
dulu. Lompat pula deh. Kan aku suruh.
Herd the cows down the road. Pretend you know what you're doing.
Nice instinct. Muy bien, señor.
Ayo sana.
Let's go.
Tuh lari deh baruan.
Bien hecho.
Guys, no.
Move. Come on.
Get right at them. Drive them this way.
Woi, sapi-sapinya woi. Cepet. Nah,
Come on.
nah lari baru.
Let's go.
Terus.
Let's move here, my four-legged friends.
Lari, nice. Nah tuh kawanan kalian.
Nail it down. Keep going, Mr. Marston. He just
Yuk kemana?
showing off now. Let's
Gila kalian weh.
Move.
Gila kau.
Come on.
Nah, ngapain kau ke situ? Gila kali kau.
Keep
Dah.
sweeping behind them. That way they'll stay together. What are you herding them that way for, you imbecile? Don't take it that way.
Yeah.
Ini sapinya banyak guys. Too much.
Come on.
Come on, Mr. Marston. You can do better than that.
Salah kayaknya, itu bukan kawanan nih kayak.
You should learn to ride before you learn to herd.
No stopping. Let's go. Come. Get going.
Leave those
Come on.
stragglers to me. You stay focused on the main herd.
Yeah. Move.
You're not much good at this, are you? Try to keep it together. I thought you'd be better than this. Keep your eye on the herd. You're doing well. We're gonna lose the herd if you don't keep
Come
it
on.
together. Stick with it, Mr. Marston. You're getting there.
Come on. Move on.
Oke, nice.
You're not bad with the herd. Ranching might be your true calling, Mr. Marston. Either that or you were a cow in a past life.
Thank you, Miss McFarland.
I'll see you later. I have work to do back at the ranch.
Oke.
Come on.
Kita ke B lagi lah ya.
Come on. Easy up now.
Kita misi Bonnie dulu.
Let's go.
Let's go.
How are you, mister?
Ini kalau kita di depannya. Oh, langsung diminggirin. Oh iya iya, oke. Woi, sus. Tabrak dong gua. Enggak. What the heck? Itu bandit ya? Udah, biarin. Come back after 11 AM. Oke, 11 AM itu jam. Ya udah 11 pagi ya. Nah, ntar lagi jam 11 guys. Jalan aja, tinggal 2 1. Nah kan. Let's go. White horse
Well, hello,
cepet
Mr.
banget.
Marston. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Did you meet my father? John
Hello.
Marston, this is my father, Drew McFarland.
Pleasure to meet you, Mr. Marston. Please.
Ayahnya guys.
So, my daughter informs me that you're here on some secret mission to remove some undesirables from the county.
Something like that. I'm grateful for the hospitality, sir.
You know, we've lived here for 30 years now. Came here from the east. The land had never been settled. For 10 years, we fought the Indians. Tough men. Then we had outlaws, and we had drought, and we had smallpox, and terrible winters, cholera. I buried more of my children than I raised.
Sorry to hear that, sir.
I've seen strong men wither and die under that unforgiving sun. That whole herds of cattle just take sick and die. But I've never once doubted my life here.
No, sir.
When I hear about this so-called federal government sending out agents to covertly murder and control people, then I start to worry. I mean, yeah, all right, Williamson is a menace, and men like him are the plague. But isn't a government agent a worse menace? And all that symbolizes, I mean.
You may be right, sir.
Well, you're a brave man. You're always gonna be welcome here. But you tell your friends out east that we don't want to live like that out here. Sneaking around and spying and secret missions. Right? It's preposterous.
Trust me, sir. I agree with you.
Good. Good. Well, we won't insult you any further. Come on, Bonnie, we got things to do.
Mr. Marston, do you want to join us? It's Daddy's favorite pastime. Apart from political discourse, that is.
What is?
Breaking in horses. Come on. I hear you're a pretty decent rider. For a city dweller, that is.
Oke, kita diajak ya. Diajak mencari kuda, guys. Mungkin kita nanti harusnya menjinakkan kuda ya.
You're gonna need this, Mr. Marston.
Menjinakkan kuda liar. Oh, ada lasso, guys. Lasso nggak sih?
Now you got some rope on your belt. Let's see if we can't wrangle some
Tali.
horses.
Oh, ini nih. Itu nggak sih tali yang dipakai Sandy untuk ngikat, untuk nangkep si SpongeBob sama si Patrick yang di episode
What are you waiting for?
Sandy
Those
marah
horses
sama
won't
SpongeBob
hang around for long.
sama Patrick karena diajakin mulu si Sandy kok salah ya. Itu kan pakai lasso ya, diputar-putar habis itu dilempar. Dia ujungnya nanti bulat ya kan? Nah, itu yang di kanan itu kan ada tombol warna bulat ya kan?
You sure have some interesting
Tombol warna
theories on
bulat.
what the government's
Tombolnya
doing, sir.
di tombol kanan ini kan bentuk talinya
I
bulat
saw
gitu.
the telegram Marshall got from Blackwater. It ain't exactly a state secret that sent you.
Well, is he wrong? I saw those men from the train.
The government can go to hell if you ask me. Those sons of bitches would steal a coin off a dead man's eyes.
Mr. Marston!
He's right. Now, I don't know much about politics,
Please, Paul, can we just enjoy
but I
the
know
ride?
we're only as free as they say we are. Power's like a drink. The more you have, the more you want. And there's few men who can handle it.
There's certain things in this country a woman could do much better, if you ask me.
I ain't gonna argue with that, Miss McFarland.
Itu banyak kuda
There
guys.
they are! Beauties! Come on, Mr. Marston!
bring him down together.
Whoa!
Hold on, Marston. Don't lose him.
Tadi yang putih bagus sih tapi gagal ya. Oke, Mon. Oke, kita berarti suruh naik ya.
Keep him steady!
Now, Marston, rope him. Don't let him buck you, Mr. Marston. Lean into it.
You'll have this
Let's see him.
Come on. Come on. Nearly got you.
Take it slow now.
Relax
You're
now.
doing
Come
fine!
on in, cowboy. Come on, let's go.
Try not to spook him too
Come
much!
on now.
Show me what you got, boy.
Oke. Kita disuruh tengah. Apa tuh nggak boleh jatuh ya? Tenang. Kita bisa lihat playernya. Kalau ke kanan kali nanti kita tinggal ke tengahin. Oke deh.
That wasn't so bad.
Look at that. We'll make a cowboy out of you yet.
Oke, kita tinggal.
I think that's enough activity for an old timer like me. I'll take this one back to the ranch. See you later.
Come on then! Let's see if you can get another one!
Oke, cari satu lagi katanya guys.
What are you waiting for?
Ya, I'm ready to go.
You're having fun!
Dapat tuh satu harusnya.
To him!
Kawasan coklat guys. Sini kau Mr. Marston. Ikat.
Don't
Nice.
break him in! I got a hold on him!
Oke, thank
Come
you.
on, that's perfect range! You got this! Yeah!
Relax. Wah, lompat-lompatnya gila kali ini. Oke, santai. Sabar. Wis, sabar. Lebih sabar. Sabar. Aku mau jatuh ini. Oke, santai.
Relax now.
Relax, santai.
That's better.
Look at that! You're a natural!
Nice.
Nice work! I think that'll do it for today. Let's get back to the ranch.
Oke, ntar kita simpen nih tali guys. Oke, go.
Come on. I like your father.
I'm glad. He's quite a character.
You have a good life here. A life I want. For me and my family, I mean.
We don't have a lot anymore.
You have enough. It's one that gets so many folks in trouble.
It'll sap your spirit and make you poor, but it's straight and it's decent.
There's no better night's sleep than after an honest day's work.
It's no wonder you look so tired then.
Some deck must be shy of Joker, Miss McFarland.
Who'd have thought you'd be such a natural at busting Broncos?
That was fun.
I think you could be a fine rancher one day, if you can bear to stop killing people for a living.
Sure.
Come on, boy.
Apa tuh MC-nya suka sama ayahnya ini nih, Mr. Marston.
Well done, Mr. Marston. These are
Mr.
fine
Marston siapa
horses.
nama? Miss Mas
Hey, Bonnie.
McFarlane
Amos was saying some horses have been spotted somewhere outside of
Bonnie
Armadillo.
McFarlane nih.
Let's
Suka
go,
dia sama
Mr. Marston.
bapaknya guys.
We could really do with those
Waduh,
horses.
tanda-tanda kah? Suka sama. Waduh, cari istri baru kah?
No rest
Cari
for the
istri baru kah
wicked.
guys?
Let's see if we can track down that other herd of horses.
Oh, kita sering gitu ya. Oke.
You never did tell me why you were never married. Aside from the
This
snobbery,
isn't what I
that
meant
is.
by horse breaking.
Come on.
You sure ask a lot.
I'm just surprised, that's all. You must have been quite a catch.
The fact that you're talking in the past says it all.
No, that's not what I mean. You must have had some suitors, that's all I'm saying.
Some, I suppose. Here and there. A ranch in the middle of Hennigan's Stead ain't really the place to find a husband. Amos, he's a little, well, you know, countrified.
Where'd you get your airs and graces, Miss McFarland?
From a couple of cheap governesses Pa hired to save us from being savages. I'd like to talk about more than just cattle and chickens sometimes, that's all. And after my brother left, it was up to me to become the man of the ranch. He'd never admit it, but my pa's a lot frailer than he looks.
You're worth two of any man I know, miss.
I'll try to take that as a compliment.
In many ways, My wife is kind of like you, Miss McFarland.
Is that so?
She's always been a woman in a man's world.
Looks like the ranch hand's up ahead.
Gila, katanya apa tuh, istrinya mirip sama Miss McFarland guys, atau sama si Bonnie ya, mirip katanya. Oke, apakah tanda-tanda guys
Let's
mereka nanti
drive
nikah
them up
guys?
the canyon where it narrows. We'll trap them there. Wait for my signal, and don't let those horses out of your sight.
I'll see you there, miss.
Oke, untuk mengikut. Berarti kita harus ngikutin mereka kan? Kenceng banget mereka guys.
Yeah. Come on.
Salah ya? Salah lagi, salah. Jadi gua harus ngapain?
Let's drive them up the canyon where it narrows. We'll trap them there.
Let's go. Whoa.
Stay with the horses. I'll give you a signal when we're ready for them.
Yeah. Wow. Slow up.
Mungkin ngikutin yang ini ya, yang di kiri. Oh iya, yang ngikutin kiri-kiri. Jadi kita harus di belakang mereka biar nggak ketahuan gitu loh.
Come. Forward.
Lu jangan. Gak usah sana, lu sana. Oh iya, kita disuruh bawa ini guys. Ini kuda.
Come on.
Lu ngapain? Jangan.
Move. Let's go. Come on.
Oke, yang di sini. Nggak banyak nyawa.
Let's go.
Ada ketinggalan satu. Oke, aman. Jawab ke depan.
No stop. Let's go.
Ngapain kau? Cepat balik. Oke, nice. Sana.
Move. Come on. Come on.
Dia kabur guys.
Move.
Lu. Ngajar kabur pula deh.
Move on. Move on. Go.
Bentar guys. Mapnya bentar. Salah keempat kita guys. Salah. Kita harus di depan mereka. Sus. Sana.
Let's move here, my four-legged friends. Yeah. Come on.
Kalian balik woi. Sana. Salah destinasi kita. Sana, hus. Nah. Hus. Terus kita harus di belakang, jangan biarkan mereka pecah ya. Bahaya.
Yeah.
Bisa nanti. Op, jangan lu pecah. Lu kurang ajar, jangan pecah.
Get going. Come on.
Jangan lu pecah sana.
Whoa there.
Juga pergi. Nah, Sana nggak? Sana nggak? Sana nggak? Sana, sana nggak? Sana nggak? Push, cepet. Nice.
Looks like we got the lot of them. What magnificent animals they are. Hey, the stallion's getting away. Chase him down and bring him back.
Oke, nice.
Let's go.
Get after him.
Gua pengen dapat yang putih juga, guys. Ntar kurang deket, guys. Sumpah, jujur. Jujur, kurang deket.
Yeah. Let's go. And slow down.
Slow down.
Whoa. Relax now. Nearly there.
Relax, relax, relax. Santai, santai. Sabar, sabar. Sabar, 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 sabar.
Relax. Come on. Come on. Nearly got you.
Sabar, sabar, sabar.
Relax now. Nearly there.
Dikit lagi nih kayak.
Calm it down.
Nice.
Come.
Anjir, ngikut ya. Jujur.
Thanks for your help today, Mr. Marston. We got some fine horses. You know, why don't you keep that stallion as your own, as a thank you from all of us?
Thank you, ma'am. He's a fine animal.
Nice, gua dapet yang putih. Let's go. Nice, gua dapet yang putih, guys. Langsung saja. Let's go. Ini mah my kuda jir. Ini mah my kuda jir. Let's go. Kita ke M atau ke B atau ke C, guys. Banyak hal baru, guys. Ya dia. Ya, ntar. Ini ke W. Oh, W, M sama B, guys. Kita coba ke M atau W ya. Soalnya deket depan kita, guys. Dari depan. Sekali-sekali kita ke M atau W. Wih. Gila, kenceng banget lari, guys. Atau perasaan gue aja? W itu siapa sih? William. Bentar ya. W itu siapa, guys? Nigel with Dickens.
Go.
Coba ke W lah ya.
Hey, partner.
Kebalik. Anjir. Oh my god. Sedikit.
Come on, easy up now. Back home, the bacon's sweeter than it is out.
Ini kuda mantap banget. Moga-moga nanti kalau gua panggil dia yang datang. You shall not give false testimony except from profit.
And I can tell you with no uncertainty that miracle cures are no laughing matter. I bid you good day, sir. Oh, Mr. Marston, good to see you. How have you been keeping?
I'm well, Mr.
Mr. West Dickens. Nigel West Dickens of Eastcheap, London, New Waverly, New York, and Armadillo, New Austin. At your service.
At my service.
At everyone's service, at the service of science, of knowledge, of life.
How are your wounds?
Much, much better. But then they would be.
Would be...
I know a cure for all ailments, Mr. Marston.
Ah, I'm sure you do. And I'm sure for just $2 an ounce, I could live forever.
Oh, but for you, sir, I'd do a bulk discount rate of $1.95 an ounce, as long as you buy 100 ounces or more. That's a lot of immortality.
Give it up, old man.
That's Mr. West Dickens to you, boy.
Give it up, old man.
Listen, Marston, I'm broke, but this stuff is good. It works. I need a healthy young man like you. Come along, let's ride over to my newest customer at Ridgewood, and I'll explain while we go.
Okay.
Oke. Berarti naik kereta dia ya, bro.
The sick and needy await us. Oh, the life of a wandering saver of souls.
I heard about you, Mr. West Dickens.
And I about you, John Marston.
Hoodwinking the weak, gullible out of their hard-earned money.
My dear
Hey,
boy,
sorry.
it is you who is gullible, if I may be so bold. For the love of God, try to stay on the road. For heeding such ill-informed
You're
scuttlebutt.
as full of wind as a horse with the collar.
I have been blessed with the gift of language, and for that I will not apologize. But the West Dickens elixirs speak for themselves. My thousands of happy customers attest to that. Stay on the road! You're going to destroy the merchandise! If my tonic is such a sham, how do you explain the fine fettle in which you find me? Last time you saw me, I was knocking at death's door.
You should thank the doctor for that. I reckon you were acting it up worse than it was.
Act I can, John. A more
Oh, terang
convincing
yo,
fellow
kayak masa
there
depan
has
aku.
never been.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Back on the road. We'll have nothing left by the time we get to Ridgewood.
Sorry,
So
nabrak batu
shall
tadi.
you, a fair Iago or Cassio make
I don't like the sound of this.
showmanship, John. The flourish, the bow. We are operating in a competitive marketplace. Our product must stand out.
And how does this involve me?
We're going to use your God-given talents to our advantage.
I'm really starting to
I'll
regret
drop
this.
you off at the outskirts of Ridgewood. That way, it won't look like we came together. Once I'm set up, saunter nonchalantly into the crowd that is sure to be forming. Eventually, I will call you up to try my tonic. After extolling
Berat, guys. Pakai aku nggak suka pakai yang kuda, kereta kuda ini, guys. Sumpah aku nggak bisa bisa ngerainnya. Berat dia, guys.
Oh, nothing out of the ordinary for a man in your line of work, I assure
Nah,
you.
kita nyampe.
Best you alight here, dear boy, so no one sees us arriving together. I'll see you there. Be ready to enchant the crowd.
Go to West Dickens Show. Piwit. My kuda, ku yang putih kan? Nice, my kuda yang putih. Ini dia my kuda.
Yeah.
Gua suka yang putih-putih. Bagus warnanya kalau putih, guys.
Good to see you all, my friends. Prepare to be amazed. Friends, hard-working souls of Cholla Springs, gather round, gather round. Do you suffer from rheumatism, lumbago, acute chronic sciatic, neurologic, or inflammatory pain? Well, I represent the only company that makes the genuine article that cures headaches, neuralgia, earache, toothaches,
Gila, obat
backache,
gila ini.
swelling, sprains,
Iya.
sore chests, swelling of the throats, contracted cords and muscles, anxieties and
Mungkin
ravaged
berniku.
nerves, stiff joints,
Dia berbohong
wrenches,
nggak?
dislocations, cuts, and bruises. And it adds vitality and vigor to the healthy man.
Wah, ini kayaknya kelihatannya bohong ya.
Can you prove it,
Ibu.
old man? Oh, I'm sure there's
Soalnya-
some customer here who could prove the
Soalnya
qualities
kan,
of its by
gini ya.
take a drink right now.
Satu
You,
obat
sir, come up here.
bisa
Step right up.
bisa mengobati banyak penyakit menggila-gila banyak. Itu udah
That's the
itu banyak
spirit.
banget.
Ladies and
Gak mungkin
gentlemen,
kan?
pay close attention. This poor, wretched volunteer, entirely unknown to me, will demonstrate the effects of Dr. West Dickens' own patent tonic. Be you a cowpoke or athlete, this miraculous elixir developed with the wisdom of the East keeps the muscles supple and relaxes the cords. It loosens the joints and gives a feeling of youth and
Dia
vigor
nipu
to
nih
the whole
kelihatannya.
system.
Dia
Not
memanfaatkan
possible,
kita
I
guys
hear you say.
kelihatannya ya.
Well, doubt no longer. Faith can move mountains, but I ask not for faith. I am a man of science, and today science will be vindicated.
Nipu deh guys.
Your
Kelihatan banget.
eyesight has greatly improved. Is that not so, friend?
If you say so.
That's right, it is. You heard him. What a good sport you are, sir. Now,
Yeah.
gaze over yonder at
Nggak
that
mungkin kan
porch.
kalau kayak
If you
obat
squint,
satu obat
you may
bisa
just be able to make out the
betul
skull that's hanging there.
menyembuhkan banyak penyakit sekaligus kayak gitu, gila sih.
Go ahead, friend.
Gua juga mau.
Shoot that skull
kita
and
coba lihat.
demonstrate the miraculous eyesight you now possess.
Kita habisin mau nggak? Mau nggak guys?
Remarkable! The eyesight of an eagle, granted by imbibing Dr. West Dickens' own patent tonic.
Anybody can make that shot. This man is a fraud. If your eye's so damn sharp, why don't you try shooting my hat out of the air?
My friends,
Oke.
our test case has
Oke.
been challenged
Oke,
to
dan
shoot
kalau
the
kena
diamond
hilang
hat
kepala
out of the
gimana?
sky
Waduh.
above our
Kalau
heads.
hilang kepala, waduh.
Fool these people, but you ain't fooling me. Right. Let's just see how sharp you is with a moving target.
Wow, oke.
Right, friend. Here comes the throw.
You're more crooked than a snake in a cat.
Have you ever seen such an eye? Behold the power of the elixir, plucked out of the sky.
Hey! Hey! What? You think you can put a hole in a man's hat and just walk away, do you? Hey, it don't work like that around here, mister. Come on! Are you a man or not?
A challenge of battle has been offered to our volunteers.
Aduh.
Prepare for a display of
Oke,
Herculean
ayo.
brawn.
John,
Terus.
come on. Show me something.
To a killer.
You're making a big mistake.
Can you believe your eyes?
What do you think, huh?
There it is, skeptics and dissenters, irrefutable proof. Do not let this opportunity pass you by.
Look, he's over there. Go get him.
This ends now.
Watch out, he's got a gun.
Who the hell do you think you are? You ain't leaving here alive.
Oh,
Marvelous shot, dear boy. The kind of deadly accuracy that can only be afforded by the West Dickens elixir. Come, I have plenty for all.
You'll be fine. Get out of my way.
Hey, where are you going?
I want a bottle. Get me a bottle, please. One of them.
langsung pada minum
No
guys.
harm in trying one bottle, I suppose.
Penipuan ini guys.
Well,
Aduh.
I think that went kind of well, don't you?
I'm just glad that my normal job involves either chasing after cattle or murderers. Not the likes of you, mister.
Don't be like that.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'd like to say my goodbyes, head on back to the real world.
Wait, sir. I've been thinking about your predicament, and I think I may have an idea. I've been thinking I could be your cunning Odysseus. Beware of the Greeks bearing gifts, sir. Williamson had better beware. We will make them into Trojans.
I don't rightly get you.
I want you to go and see my old friend Seth. He can come across as a little curious, but I'm sure you two will get on. He's most often found at Coots Chapel. He's very devout.
Why see him?
Because between him and me, we can get those gates to open for you, and you can walk right in, just like in Homer's great Trojan yarn!
Horse breaking jobs are available. Bye.
Don't make me shoot you! Move!
I don't fancy your chances on this angry son of a gun. He's a wild one and no mistake.
Job apa nih, Kok? Woi, gimana gua naik ya?
You getting on or not, son?
Sorry. Lasso.
She's gonna break herself in.
Come on.
Easy. Just stay there. Now don't take off now.
Nice sekarang ya. Lebih.
Just calm yourself. Don't move. You'll be fine. That's it. Stay calm.
Gua harus cepet naikin berarti, guys. Kalau enggak, kayak gitu. Langsung gua naikin.
Relax now. Nearly there. Oh, shit! I got you.
I got you.
Come on, nearly got you. That's better. Faster!
Nice. Gila, jago banget gua.
Damn fine riding. That was fast work, son.
Apa duit?
Move!
Find out, son.
Udah, kita pakai lasso juga ya. Biarin lah. Oke. Dan sekarang kalau pakai mata nanti dia langsung auto lock gitu loh, langsung bisa ketembak. Oke, nice. Gak rugi gua nyelesain misi. Makin perasaan aku kalau kita makin banyak ngerjain misi, makin skill makin menambahkan skill kita, guys. Skill MC kita. Memperbagus skill MC kita ya. Contohnya tadi pas ini dia. Naik kuda. Cepet luar lah ya. Contoh pas kita lihat gini kan, dia nanti langsung keiket. Langsung ada tanda X gitu kan, tanda panah. Habis itu langsung ke lempar aja. Nggak kayak dulu kita harus gerakin baru kita lempar. Manual. Bagus. Habis itu yang pas misi sama Bonnie itu kita dapat lasso, jadi kita bisa sekarang jadi bisa ngeting kuda. Bagus sih. Yuk kita ngerjain misi lagi ya. With my new kuda. Gila, kuda ini bagus banget ya. Oke. Aman. Let's go. Kita ke mana, guys? Ke M. Ke mana nih? S apa Santa Claus?
Yeah.
Is. Ya. Sorry ya, Mai kuda. Tiba-tiba lo. Ada lubang kurang ajar tadi.
Come on.
Targets. Oh, ini S. Mana kita? Ini kita. Masih jauh ya. Ini set. Kita bisa ke M atau kita bisa ke mana ya? Yang B ini. Coba kita ke S deh.
Come on.
Bisa nggak ya naik? Kecepatan penuh. Oke, nice. Bisa. Jalannya yang nggak enak, guys. Naik turun. Oke. Kita ke S ya. Jangan S. Yang S ini di atas ya. Dikit lagi. Atau kita ke M dulu, guys. Udah M dulu ya. Udah deh, M dulu aja.
Faster. Let's go.
Kita hits.
Well, I'll just take care of that for you. Thank you.
Since you're here, you want to make yourself useful?
Not particularly.
Listen, son, I know you got a mission, but right now I need another gun.
Why? What's happening?
We've had this problem for months with this group of bandits who are getting drunk and murdering settlers.
Berarti
Last
kalau
night they
kita
went to a big place up
ikutin
near
yang
Ridgewood.
They burnt
ini
the
guys,
place
yang misi
down,
MM
killed
ini
the
kebanyakan
men,
pasti
burning most of them
saling
alive, and
serang-serangan.
raped the women.
Maksudnya
Women folk then
apa
got
tuh
their
perlu
throats
kayak
slit.
untuk
One of
ngebunuh
them survived and walked in here
atau
this
kayak
morning.
Anyway, we
ya
got a posse
main
gathering up near
kekerasan gitu.
Ridgewood. Will you ride with us?
Oke, yaudah.
All right.
Thank you, John Marston. It's gonna be a bloody job.
Ya kan?
I don't think I know any other kind, sir.
Oke. Kita siapkan senjata gratis. Loh,
Hey, wait up!
tuh. Itu obat yang itu gak sih? Yang dijual sama yang kakek-kakek itu. Ya Allah. Ketipu gak dia?
Marston, I hear you caught up with Mr. West Dickens.
I did. For a man who claims to have found a remedy to all ailments, he was in pretty bad shape.
His tonic has helped a great many people. It's a medical breakthrough from the East, the result of years of research.
If only it could cure him of his diarrhea of the mouth.
I wouldn't be so dismissive of science if I was you. Times is changing fast.
He's no more a scientist than I am a priest. But people can spend their hard-earned money however they please.
He's certainly a character, that West Dickens.
I can't understand a goddamn word he said. Look, vultures.
I see him.
Vultures.
Marston, you and Eli go check it out.
Yang lain?
Ain't no survivors here, Marshal. Man, this don't look too good.
Udahnya mati, guys. Kukira tadi manusia.
Somebody
Oh
was
ya,
so busy
manusia
killing
ada
people they
manusia
went and
mati.
dropped their gun.
Ya, guys.
Faster!
Keep following this road.
What kind of man does that?
A bunch of weak men. A pack of cowards is the most dangerous kind.
Some men are just born plain evil.
I think it's this land that makes the men, as much as the other way around. Men are born, and then they're formed. At least that's how I see it.
Who could have done such a thing?
Any number of people, especially now the word's out we're cleaning up the county.
Between Walton's boys and the rustlers, we've been spilling a lot of blood. Man gets more evil when he's running scared.
Look, Marshal, more vultures.
All right, let's go check it out.
Vulture itu kayaknya perkemahan dia, nggak percampingan gitu. Atau kayak campfire gitu. Ya api unggun.
Man,
Atau
more
perkampungan
dead
gitu.
bodies.
Atau
Fire's
kayak
still
perkemahan
smoking.
atau asap.
Scumbags must still be around.
Udah ya.
Come on.
Lanjut lagi.
Come on, let's ride. They can't have got too far.
Sons of bitches!
Didn't you once run a gang of outlaws, Marston?
Yeah, but not like that. It wasn't our way. At least it wasn't my way.
Killing and thieving's never right, boy. No matter how you dress it up.
Unless it's
Uniform
ordered
siapa
by a
pula?
court of law, you mean?
This is too quiet. I got a bad feeling about this. All right, boys, let's have a look around.
Berarti gua harus turun kelihatannya. Ya, kamu tunggu sini.
Nobody's in the shed.
Ya, sip.
Come on. No one here. Yeah.
That ain't right. No one would board up a barn like this. Come on, John. Shoot that door open.
Aku nih. Oh, maksudnya gue nge-kick. Maksudnya shoot the barn open ini. Oh ya. Maaf ya. Maaf ya, my kuda. Oh my god. Gantung dia
Holy
ya, guys.
sweet mother of mercy.
Please, please don't shoot me. Some bandits came by and took us hostage. They're holed up in the farmhouse. Some of my family is being kept hostage inside.
All right, boys, we need to get into that house right now.
Okay, let's go. Itu guys mainnya. Oke, udah ngerti. Hop. Main kayak GTA gua main muter-muter anjir. Ngapain aku manggil kuda gua? My kuda, no.
House and smoke those sons of bitches.
Are you kidding me?
Aku kepencet sumpah. Ini ada. Aduh. Revolver dong. Nah, maksud gua itu loh. Bisa loot bentar lah. Buat dong.
Don't think you'll be needing this.
I'm the goddamn law.
Follow me.
Mau nih. Loot lagi.
Moni kan lumayan.
Stay with me.
Gua nih yang harus nembak. Mikir.
Sending you straight to hell. Fill you full of holes.
My bad.
Stay with me.
Dia ada yang di atas bis.
You and me gonna have ourselves fun.
Damn and blast!
For the love of God!
As soon as you can, make a run for the shed. And keep your head down.
Oh, thank God.
What the heck?
Look out over there! I'm seeing something.
What the fudge? Gua baru masuk, guys.
All right, boys, we need to get into
Gua
that
baru
house
masuk
right
tiba-tiba
now.
enggak ada.
Hellfire!
So much cover!
Loh. Come on. Don't be stupid. Oh my god. Bentar, guys. Oh, semua. 1, 2, ini. Lagi. Ada ya?
Give it up!
Oke. Pantes.
This has gone far enough. Get into that house and smoke those sons of bitches.
Ya, nice, guys.
There's one of them.
Ntar guys, gua mau itu guys. Mulut lagi.
I need it more than you now.
Are you kidding?
Minggir loh.
Are you kidding me? Follow me! I'm the goddamn law.
Bastard! Jesus, well.
Stay with me.
Aku pakai revolver guys.
Ain't you a pretty little thing?
I'm gonna enjoy this!
Make a break for the shed when the coast is clear. There'll be a deputy waiting for you.
Thank you. I was convinced I was dead.
Who's that there? You leave Williamson to me, my friend.
Aku belum kebuka loh. Siapa yang ngebuka?
Alright, boys, we need to get into that
Maksudnya
house
gue yang
right
harus
now.
nembak gitu ya? Dia yang ngebuka gitu. Hell no, my friend, what you doing in that? One. 1. Masih safe. 1.
Sorry, yellow-bellied coward. Got to clear time. Over here.
What now?
This has gone far enough. Get into that house and smoke those sons of bitches.
Hell no!
Loot dulu
Alright,
seperti biasa.
let's see.
Dapat duit ya. Bisa loot lagi.
My God!
Follow me.
Let's get it done.
I can't take much more.
Ngapain lu?
Stay close.
You and me gonna have ourselves fun.
Ain't your life worth living? deputy waiting for you in the shed out back. Make a run for it when it's clear.
Oh, thank God.
You're gonna be all right. Head for the shed in the back as soon as it looks clear.
Thank you. They said they were gonna kill us all.
Looks all clear, fellas. Let's check up on the farmers.
Gila, di tempat sempit kayak gitu, sumpah kamera susah sih.
Some folk tried to escape him to the south, but then some robbers started chasing him down like wild dogs. I thought you were supposed to protect us, Marshal. You folk ain't men. You ain't nothing. You're just a man on a government payroll taking money that the rest of us have to pay for with our lives. Yeah. What is wrong with this country?
Not up, men. The man that kills the boss of that bunch gets $50.
It ain't about the money, Marshal. These are people's lives, people's homes.
Mount up, boy. We gotta get after those bandits. Follow me. We can still catch them.
Mana nih tinggi? Oh ini jalan-jalan deh. Oke. Oh iya, naik kuda. Let's go.
Let's go!
Gue dapetin banditnya, seru. Sini gue dapetin ya banditnya. Kamu dapetin banditnya kan? Oke. Mission accepted. Let's go.
What's your beef with Williamson anyway, Marston?
Let's just say he's the currency in a complicated transaction.
What the hell you talking about?
Some people I have the displeasure of knowing want him dead.
Why does that involve you?
We used to run in a gang together. He was once like family.
If this is how you treat your family, I'd hate to see what you do to your enemies.
That was a lifetime ago.
Wait, who's that up there?
You just walk away now, John. I didn't kill you before, but I sure as shit will now.
Get yourself down here, Bill. You know you ain't man enough to stop me. You know I don't want to kill you, but I will.
You always did have a high opinion of yourself, John. Dutch always said you were an arrogant son of a bitch. I guess he was about right. Get him, boys!
Okay.
Everybody, take cover! In that shed!
Okay, let's go.
Over here! We'll make our stand here.
Shit! You almost got it!
1, 2, 3, 4. Masih mau kan?
Watch your head!
Lagi ya?
Get your thumb out!
What the fuck are you doing, huh?
You're dead,
What the
friend!
fuck?
Quit laughing at me! Are you laughing at me?
Surrender! Kill every last one of you! Heads up, more of them coming down the hill.
Oke. Aman. Gua reload dulu, guys.
We're gonna burn Fort Mercer to the ground!
Aduh.
Watch it! It's lit or slap time!
breakfast, rip-rap!
Look out!
Headshot.
Some of you bastards killed a lot of innocent people!
What are you doing, bro?
Come on, furry chicken!
That hurts still.
Kill you, mister!
Next time, you should run away.
Nice, see?
Hey, look what I got here. There's something that you're still breathing. Come here, boy. Come on, Bessie, give. Oh.
Norman Deek.
Fuck!
Nice to see you again, buddy. Thanks for your help, John. Norman here is gonna help us get to Bill. Ain't you, Norman?
Thank you, Mr. Dick. Mighty kind. Fuck you!
Hog time. Let's get him to jail.
Let's go. Easy.
Yeah!
Bentar, guys. Ntar main kuda. Banyak nih. Hehehe. Inilah saatnya gua nih ngelut siapa tahu dapat ammo. Coba cari dulu, guys. Loot dulu, guys. Nice. Gila, cair gua, guys. Cair. Hai. Mana tadi di sini ada deh. Hop. Jadi banyak kan? Ada lagi nggak ya? Yang ada lagi celodannya. Kan udah ya. Oh belum. Nih kuda, guys. Bisa skin animal, guys. Let's go. Lumayan. Horse meat. Horse hide. Dagingnya nggak mau nih. Emang nggak enak, guys, daging kuda, guys. Katanya sih nggak enak, tapi nggak tahu juga. Let's go. Kita ke B atau ke S, guys? S dulu ya.
Hey, you there! I'll kill you!
Biarin, guys.
Yeah!
Malas nanggapi.
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on!
Yes. Oh, jauh banget ya.
Yeah! Let's go!
Kan nggak mungkin nggak kita naikin bukit ini. Gua harus cari jalan untuk naik ke bukit sih guys.
Looking for some company, friend?
Fast!
Tapi masalahnya aku tidak melihat jalan untuk ke bukit. Ini kayak
Yeah!
enggak ini.
Just hand over that treasure. You wanna
Malas. Pura-pura nggak lihat. Gua harus lurus guys. Pertama berarti gua harus ke Armadillo. Kelihatannya aku pun salah jalan ya. Nggak ada deh. Gua ke B dulu deh. Habis itu kita ke itu ya, ke S. I don't see.
Fast! Yeah!
Oke deh, kita ke B dulu ya guys ya. Apa? Soalnya karena apa bang? Karena aku mau udahan. Sekalian mau udahan guys. Soalnya baterai sisa dikit. Habis itu juga udah lumayan lama juga kita recordnya. Baterai juga sudah tidak mendukung guys. Jadi kita akan mengikat mic kuda di sini. Dan kita akan save. Ya. Dan besok mungkin kita lanjut record lagi atau kapan gitu ya. Lanjutkan di game. Oke. Save dulu. Nah, yang kedua ini. Yes. Oke teman-teman, sampai situ saja rekodan kita hari ini. Dan oke, segitu aja dan see you in next video ya guys ya. Bye.